technical analysis with trading ranges, which will usually have more than 3 upswings and downswings, since they are often related to double and triple top, along with double and triple bottom patterns that will begin a horizontal range, either leading to a reversal or continuation. In this case, it is heading towards an uptrend continuation with a noticeable incline towards the end. Like other patterns covered in the series, the structure left behind by the trading range can be used to varying degrees later on to reference support and resistance areas. It's not too uncommon for a trading range to line up with clear swing points from the past, such as in this case, where there's actually a failed double top reversal that heavily concentrates a trading range in the 52 area. Next is a relatively compact trading range that can have its upper and lower boundaries defined by open, high, low, and close prices from multiple candles that are often aligned. Unsurprisingly, these are usually the candles that are larger and/or are clear reversal candles. The result is a break of the lower boundary, quite similar to a double or triple top pattern. Sometimes portions of a pattern, like in this case with the declined reverse head and shoulders, certain swing points can retain influence well into the future, leading to wider trading ranges like this. This next example begins with some triangular features, which can be narrowed down into a horizontal trading range. After dropping below the lower boundary, just like a triple top, upward retracements will be resisted around that 23 to 22 range. Then down here, closer to the 19 to 20 range, there's a well-defined range in terms of the lower boundary offering support, in contrast to the upper boundary, which is much harder to define with less downswings consistently aligning with each other. This neatly formed horizontal trading range doesn't lead to a major bullish reversal, and instead better defines the beginning of a bearish continuation. Here's a similar situation in that lots of upswing points are clearly aligned with each other in comparison to the downswing points that instead produce a noticeable incline, essentially producing the opposite of a descending triangle that is neatly preceded by a 3 methods falling candle pattern and preceded by a 3 methods rising candle pattern.